Lesson 1, translations. So a translation is moving it left, right, up, or down. So first things first, on the real list. Oh my gosh, I have to stop doing that. Okay, X and Y in points are always your X value and then your Y value. And if you're unsure on the X and the Y's, the X's is always that axis and the Y is always that axis. It's always left and right and up and down. Okay, so for this one, we have a vertical translation of 2. That means we're moving it up 2. So if it starts at the point 2 and 2, now it's going to be at the point 2 and 4, not another 2. Next one, it would be at -3 and 3. And if we chose the point to be x, then y, x doesn't change at all, but y increases by 2. That would kind of be like our formula. Okay, a vertical translation of -1. So it's going down 1, so the x value doesn't change, and it goes from 2 down to 1. We're going back to that original point. It's at -3 and 0. And if we go back to x and y, it'd be at x and y minus 1. Next one is a horizontal translation of 1. So this means we're going right 1. So it would change our x value to be 3. Our y value doesn't change. So -3 and 1, if we go right 1 from -3, it would go to -2. So -2 and 1. And if we went from x to and y, it would be x plus 1, and y doesn't change. Alright, next one. A horizontal translation of -3, so we're going left 3. Sorry, I should have wrote this in here. Down 1, up 2. Okay, so our x value is going to go from 2, subtract 3 would take us to -1. So we're at -1, y value doesn't change. For -3, if we go an additional -3, it's now at -6, and the y value doesn't change. So this would be x minus 3 and y. For the last one, let's do our x and our y first. So it has a vertical translation of 1, so it's 1 up, and a horizontal translation of 3, so 3 right. So our x value is going to increase by 3, and our y value is going to increase by 1. Making this formula might make it a little bit easier for you. Okay, so we're starting at 2 and 2. So we're going to go 2 plus 3 makes 5, and 2 plus 1 makes 3. There's our new point. And next one, -3 plus 3 makes 0, and 1 plus 1 makes 2. So that would be our new translated point because it has 2 translations. Okay, we've got a yard. It's 15 meters by 15 meters. You're building a shed. It's 6 meters long vertically and 4 meters wide. We're going to start at 2 and 2. So right here is 2 and 2. So it's going 6 meters long vertically. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 4 meters wide. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's our shed. We're going to call this point A. We're going to now apply a translation of 5 meters vertically and 6 meters horizontally, and would we be able to fit that shed in. So we're going to go each vertex. We're going to go x is going to increase by 6, and y is going to increase by 5. So 6 right and 5 up. So we'll start here, and we're going to go 6 to the right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we're going to go 5 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's our new point. And now we can draw the shed. So 6 meters, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by 4 meters. Our shed would in fact fit in the yard. So there's our new location. Okay, part C. If we move point A to the point 13 and 6, what translation took place? So it started at 2 and 2, and we moved it to 13 and 6. So the difference here is it's moved 11 to the right, and it's moved 4 up. So that is our distance, our change. We want to determine the point of each corner and if it would fit on the lot. So let's just draw it and see if it'll fit. So we're going to go 11 right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then we're going to go 4 up. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here's our new point. And then I'll go 6 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 4 right. It does not fit. We would need another 2 meters on the yard for it to fit. Don't worry about finding the new coordinates of all the points. That's fine. We have a picture for a reason. All right. Thank you for sharing this time with me. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, night. I don't know what time you're watching this video. Bye.